Hey guys, the Riker Dane. So this is a GMC Yukon 2012 and we're replacing the O2 sensor on it. First thing you want to do is jack it up, turn your wheel to the left, and then we're going to take out this inner wheel well right here. It's pretty easy to take out. You've got a couple of these plugs that are in there. There's about 5 of those, and then there's just a couple screws that are in there as well. You're going to want to use a pry tool. It's kind of like a upholstery panel tool is what it is, but being able to access the O2 sensor from here is very easy. So just got to take out about 6 or 7 of these. But right here is bank 2 sensor 1. This is on the top side of the catalytic converter, and this is the O2 sensor. It just unscrews and attaches with a plug right there. It's pretty easy to change out. So this is the brand new one. This is a Walker brand, and there's a little plastic piece on there that we'll take off once we or before we install it. And then if you don't have one of these sockets, you can rent them from any auto parts store, and it's got the hole in there so that the wire can go through, but you can rent these and then you just get your money back when you bring it back. So this is the kind of toolkit that you get, but we'll just put that in and around the wire just like this. It's kind of slips over that wire, then slides over the O2 sensor just like a regular socket would, and then you'd add your wrench to it and crank it off there to loosen it up, and then just unplug it from the other side from the wire and put in the new one. So let me show you what it looks like once we unscrew it. Just takes out the threads, not too long, but you'll see there's a lot of carbon buildup on this one. The design is a little bit different. This is the OEM one from the factory, but the design is a little bit different than the new one. The new one has more holes in it. This one has just holes right on the top. So I think the new one is going to be a better design. This is a 2012, so it would be the stock one that comes in it. Now all we got to do is just disconnect the wire and put in the new one. So these are pretty easy to disconnect and connect. It just has a little tab that goes in there and locks and clips. So let's put in the new one. So I started screwing in the new one and tightening it up, and then from there we'll just connect. And these, like I said, are easy to connect. You can do it with one hand while I hold the camera with the other, but pretty much just push it together till it snaps, and that's it. And then we'll just take that wire and stuff it back in where it was before, and you are good to go. Now all you got to do is just put this inner wheel well back together. It's about 5 or 6 of those little plugs that go in there, as well as this wire here has a couple plugs they can see right there in those holes. They just go in there to hold that wire there. But just attach all that back and you are done, and your engine light will be off and the code for O2 sensor won't come up anymore. But this is for the Walker O2 sensor. Seems like a great product. So hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.